Hi everyone! Tax season 2026 is coming fast. And if you're filing for tax year 2025, the best way to reduce stress is to get tax ready before you even start the return. Because most tax season problems are not random. They usually come from missing forms, mismatched income, messy bookkeeping, or filing too early before all documents arrive. And that's how people end up with rejected returns, refund delays, or IRS notices months later. So here's your simple playbook. Step 1. Build a tax folder right now. Digital is fine. Every time a document shows up, W-2, 1099, mortgage interest, brokerage statements, you drop it in. Do not wait until April. Now, let's talk to different types of taxpayers. If you're a W-2 employee, your goal is to confirm your W-2 matches your last pay stub, especially wages and withholding. If something is off, you want to fix that with your employer before you file. Also, if you changed jobs, moved states, or had a major life change, like marriage, divorce, or a new child, those are the moments when mistakes happen. If you're self-employed, a freelancer, or you have a side hustle, here's the big trap. You might not receive every form, but the income is still taxable. Your best move is to reconcile income using your deposits and platform reports, and then separate business expenses from personal expenses. When your expenses are organized, you don't overpay tax, and you don't panic during filing. If you're a business owner, LLC, S corporation, partnership, your number one priority is bookkeeping cleanup. If your bank accounts are not reconciled and your profit and loss has a giant miscellaneous bucket, your tax return becomes guesswork. Guesswork creates errors, and errors create notices. A clean set of financials makes tax season faster, safer, and usually more tax efficient. And if you're an investor, real estate or crypto, the biggest issue is documentation. For real estate, keep closing documents, track improvements versus repairs, and make sure depreciation schedules are correct. For crypto, you need exchange reports and transaction history so you can support cost basis when possible. Missing documentation can lead to higher taxes and questions later. Here's the final checklist before you file. Do you have all your documents? Does your reported income match what third parties reported? Do you have proof for major deductions and credits? If you're a business owner, are your accounts reconciled and your financial statements clean? If you're an investor, do you have the documents that support your reporting? If you want help getting tax ready, whether it's a prep session, a bookkeeping cleanup, or a pre-filing review, reach out to FAS CPA and consultants. And if you message us, just tell us, are you W-2, self-employed, business owner, or investor, so we can guide you to the right next step.